Go ahead. Sing and dance. Let me see. Are you going to sing too? Good job. Can I see some dancing? Show me how you like to dance. Yay. Tell me what your name is.
Anna.
Anna what?
Griffin.
What's your middle name?
Juliet.
That's right. How old are you?
2.
2. Do you have a brother?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's his name?
Jack.
Jack? Is he a baby or is he a big kid?
He's a baby.
He's a baby. Do you have a dog?
Yeah.
Tell me about your dog.
It's Emma.
Is Emma? Is she a nice doggy?
Yeah.
She is. What's your favorite thing to do?
Play.
Play? What do you like to play?
Ariel.
You like to play with Ariel? Yeah. Is there anything else you want to say?
No.
You want to say Rumbeland?
Dumbo. I'm random.
Do it again.
I'm random.
Are you a funny girl?
No, I can't. I'm here again.
All right, should I stop taping?